Hello everyone, welcome to all. In this session, we are going to discuss about getting started with the fuzzy logic tools using Matlab. Learn how to design and test fuzzy inference systems. Here, getting started with the fuzzy logic tools graphical user interface. This is the agenda of today's session. Introduction to fuzzy logic toolbox. Here, introduction to fuzzy inference system. That is FIS modeling. Here there are two important modeling system inference systems are there. First one is Mamdani fuzzy inference system. Second one is Sugeno method. Build Mamdani fuzzy inference systems and build Sugeno fuzzy inference systems. Then introduction to Adaptive Neuro-Fuzzy Inference System, that is ANFIS. Previous one is fuzzy inference system modeling. Then next one is Adaptive Neuro-Fuzzy Inference System, that is ANFIS modeling. And here also some two important parts are there. Train and test part. Here train adaptive neuro-fuzzy inference systems and test data against this ANFIS trained system. Here first you go with introduction to fuzzy logic toolbox. Here the fuzzy logic trainer designer is available in Matlab. This is for to design and test the fuzzy inference systems. Fuzzy toolbox provide Matlab functions and apps and Simulink blocks for analyzing, designing and simulating systems based on fuzzy logic. Then Matlab functions are provided for many common methods including fuzzy clustering and adaptive neuro-fuzzy learning. This toolbox let you model complex system behaviors using simple logic rules and then implement these rules in a fuzzy inference system. Then how you get the fuzzy logic designer app in Matlab? Just you type in Matlab command prompt fuzzy logic designer. You will get the Matlab window, fuzzy logic toolbox window. Then introduction to fuzzy inference system model. What is FIS model? Here in fuzzy logic designer, in this tool is used to design and test fuzzy inference systems. Then fuzzy inference system. What is meant by fuzzy inference? The fuzzy inference is the process of formulating input and output mappings using fuzzy logic. The fuzzy logic designer app lets you design and test fuzzy inference systems for modeling complex system behaviors. By using this fuzzy logic designer app, you can design Mamdani and Sugeno fuzzy inference systems. We output surface maps for fuzzy inference systems. We use the output surface maps for fuzzy inference systems. Then also you can export this fuzzy inference system to your Matlab workspace. Then introduction about ANFIS modeling. Introduction to adaptive fuzzy inference system modeling. Here this is the app called Neuro-Fuzzy Designer. Previous one is fuzzy logic designer app. This one Neuro-Fuzzy Designer app. This app is used to design, train and test Sugeno-type fuzzy inference systems. The Neuro-Fuzzy Designer app lets you design, train and test adaptive neuro-fuzzy inference systems using input and output training data. Using this app, you can tune membership parameters of Sugeno-type inference systems, automatically generate an initial inference system structure based on your training data. Then modify the inference system structure before tuning. Before tuning, you can modify the inference system structure. Prevent overfitting to the training data. The previous one, all the neural networks are suffered with overfitting problem. To prevent overfitting to the training data, using additional checking data is available in this Neuro-Fuzzy Designer block. Then export your tuned fuzzy inference system to Matlab workspace. What is the command used to get the Neuro-Fuzzy Designer app? In command prompt, just you enter Neuro-Fuzzy Designer. You will get the Neuro-Fuzzy Designer app window. Then introduction to build Mamdani systems using fuzzy logic trainer. Here, for example, one simple problem you can take. It's called a basic tipping problem. This example shows the 2 input and 1 output tipping problem based on tipping practices in United States. For example, given a number between 0 and 10 that represent the equality of a service at a restaurant, where 10 is excellent, 0 is poor. Then another number is between 0 and 10 that represent the quality of food. First one quality of service, then second one quality of food at the restaurant. Again 10 is excellent. Then what should the tip be? The starting point is to write down the 3 golden rules of tipping. What is the 3 golden rules? Here if the service is poor or the food is rancid, then tip is cheap. You assign that tip is cheap. If the service is good, then tip is average. If the service is excellent or the food is delicious, then tip is generous. Assume that an average tip is 15 and generous tip is 25 and cheap tip is 5. This is a general pattern is there. Then this is the fuzzy inference systems block. This is a design of Mamdani type fuzzy inference system with 2 input and 1 output system. In this example, you can you construct a 2 input and 1 output system. The 2 inputs are service and food. The inputs are service and food. The 1 output is tip. The membership function editor, here there are fuzzy inference systems having fuzzy logic designer app, then membership editor, then surface viewer, that is your output. There's a rule viewer. This is a golden rules you can create. There's a, here we are seeing the 3 rules. This is a service is poor and service is good and service is excellent. These are all the rules. Here you have to create. Then you can view the output as surface viewer. This rule editor also shows the what all the input in the rule editor to edit the list of rules that defines the behavior of the systems. Then the important one is the membership function editor. The membership function editor is the tool that let you display and edit all of the membership functions associated with all the inputs and output variables for the entire fuzzy inference systems. This is a fuzzy logic designer app. This one. Next we are going to see. There are rule viewer. In the rule viewer, there are three cases are there. First one is general case. The second one is specific example. Third one is geo editor. The rule viewer, to view the fuzzy inference diagram, use this viewer as a diagnostic to see, for example, which rules are active or how individual membership function shapes influence the result. Then surface viewer to view the dependency of the one of the outputs on anyone or two of the inputs that is generated, and plots the output as surface map for the entire system. These are input and output rules. This is input terms interpret. This output terms is a one type. The general rule method. And the specific example, that is a service. Is a input is a service, output is tip. Here these are the 3 rules, the golden rules. If service is poor, then tip is cheap. If service is good, then tip is average. If service is excellent, then tip is generous. Then if it is a service based on poor, good and excellent, these are all the parameters, and tip the cheap, average and generous. Then the rule editor. This is the geo editors having fish editor, rule editor and membership editor. If you type fuzzy logic designer in Matlab window, you will get the fuzzy logic designer tool like this. Here this fuzzy logic designer has three parts are there. First one is input part, and second one is processing part, then output part. Here fish name here you have to type, then AND method or OR method, implication, aggregation and defalsification methods are there. Then these for fish type. It may be Mamdani or Sugeno system. You can select here. Here membership function and rule editor block. If you double click on input, these are input block. If you double click on input, you can get the input variable icon to open the membership function editor. This is untitled. This is you can choose either Mamdani or Sugeno-type system. If you double click on that, you can open the rule editor. Here if you double click on that, here if you double click, you can get the rule editor. Then this is the output block. If you double click the output variable icon to open the membership function. Then next one is the introduction to fuzzy logic designer tool. This one is the name of the system to change it, select, file, export. Once you set the rules and all things, then you get the tipping problem output. You can export to the output as export to workspace also. There is a fixed name, and this is for and OR method. Options for adjusting. These are all the options for adjusting the fuzzy inference functions, such as defalsification methods. And then this is the status. What is the status line describes the most recent operation. Here you can choose the name of the selected input and input or output variables in this fish type window. Then now we are coming with basic tipping problem systems using fuzzy logic trainer. Here our input is service, service and food is 2 inputs. Your tipper is the our designing problem. This is what tip is our output. Here these are input and output. This is our system fuzzy inference systems. Here we are choosing Mamdani type system. The diagram is updated to reflect the new names of the new input and output variables. There is now new variable in the workspace called tipper. This is a tipper that also contains the information about these systems. By saving to the workspace with a new name, you also rename the entire system. For if you have to export the fuzzy inference system to Matlab workspace, you can save with different file name. Your window looks like something like the following diagram. This one. This is a basic tipping problem diagram. Then this is a membership function editor. Here double click on that, you can set the rules. The membership function is editor is a tool that let you display and edit all of the membership function associated with all the input and output variables for the entire fuzzy inference systems. This is a menu commands. If you click for file, menu commands for saving, opening and editing a fuzzy systems. Here these are FIS variables are there. Here what are the inputs? These are input and T problem. There is a variable palette area. Click a variable to edit the membership function. If you double click on that, you can edit the membership functions. Even if you edit the membership function, if you click on that, you can get the membership plot. Okay, what is your good and what is your excellent, what is your average, what is your poor performance are there. In this graph, in this point, the graph displays all the membership functions for the selected variables. This is a part. Click a line to change its attributes such as name, type and numerical parameters, and drag the service to move to change its shapes also. Then membership function editor. The process of specifying the membership functions for two input tipping example tipper is follows. If you double click on that input variable service to open the membership function editor, is a membership function editor block. Is a inputs service. These are the inputs. Then you can also select the rule editor, that is good or poor. Also this membership function also shows the status line, describe the most recent operation. Then you have to change the parameters value, change the numerical parameters for current membership function. Also you have to give the membership function. Then select the type of current membership function. Then you can edit the name of the current membership function by using this fuzzy logic designer app. Thank you.